you guys, this is Akhilan from AkhilanTech. On August 11th, Redmi held an event on its Redmi 10th anniversary, and this event was held in China. And in this event, they have launched some of the products, one TV and two smartphones. So let's get into detail of what are the products that the Redmi has launched in its 10th anniversary event. First, they have launched the Redmi K30 Ultra. If you go into the detailed specifications of this Redmi K30 Ultra, it is coming with a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 120Hz screen refresh rate, and it is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 1000 Plus 5G processor, and it is a 7nm build processor. This smartphone comes in the three colors. One is the Moonlight White, Midnight Black and the Mint Green colors. This smartphone has the four variants: 6GB 128GB variant, 8GB 128GB variant, 8 plus 256GB variant and 8 plus 512GB variant. If you go into the camera side of this smartphone, it has the quad camera setup. One is the 64 megapixel primary camera and 13 megapixel ultra wide angle camera and the 5 megapixel tele macro lens and the 2 megapixel depth sensor. Front, it has the 20 megapixel pop-up camera. It has the in-screen fingerprint scanner. In this smartphone, there is around 4500 mAh battery with 33 watt fast charging support. The base variant of this smartphone is roughly priced 21,500 rupees. Actually, this is not the actual price of this smartphone. It is the converted rate of the yuans into the Indian rupees. And the higher variant, that is 8GB RAM 512GB variant, is priced roughly around 28,000 rupees. Xiaomi has also launched one of the flagship mobile phone, that is a Mi 10 Ultra. This smartphone comes in the three colors. One is the white color, black color, and also it has the transparent edition. And it has a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 128Hz screen refresh rate. It is powered by the Snapdragon 865 Plus processor. It has the triple camera setup. One is a 14 megapixel camera, that is a primary sensor, 20 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and the 12 megapixel portrait lens. Front, it has around 20 megapixel camera, and also this smartphone comes in the four variants. One is the 8GB RAM 128GB variant, 8GB RAM 256GB variant and 12GB RAM 256GB variant and the 16GB RAM 512GB variant. It is powered by the 4500 mAh battery, and it has the massive 120 watt fast charging support, and it also supports reverse wireless charging up to 10 watt charger. This smartphone is roughly priced around 57,000 rupees and the higher variant is roughly priced around 75,000 rupees. Xiaomi also have launched their one of the TV, and this TV is named as Mi TV LUX Transparent Edition. As the name suggests that this is a transparent TV. This is not the first company to bring the transparent TVs. In the year 2017, LG has also launched their one of the prototype transparent TV, but these TVs just remained as a prototype. These TVs did not came into the market commercially. But this Mi TV will be available in the market in a couple of days. This TV has a 55-inch OLED display with 120Hz screen refresh rate, and it supports Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, and it is a transparent TV. It is powered by the powerful MediaTek 9650 TV chipset, and this TV is priced around $7,200, which we convert into Indian currency. It is around 5,50,000 rupees. So finally, my opinions on these products is that the Mi TV price is very massive because it is around 5,50,000 rupees, which is insane. But the other products, that is the Mi 10 Ultra and the Redmi K30 Pro, were in the ideal price. I am eagerly waiting for the Redmi K30 Pro because it has the 7nm build processor with the best specifications, and the converted rate is also around 21,000 rupees, which is very cheap for that huge specification smartphone. So we have to see that when will this Redmi K30 Ultra, Mi 10 Ultra and the TV will come into the market. And out of all these products, which products do you like? Comment in the comment box below. And that's all from this video. If you find this video informative, drop us a like down below and share this video. Also, don't forget to watch this video out there because it will be more interesting. And also, don't forget to subscribe to AkhilanTech YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell icon so that you'll be reminded every time I post a new video in my YouTube channel. And that's it from me today. See you next time.